So we got another old cedar dock pole here that we're gonna mill up. Look at this crew I got. Look at all these people.
Yeah.
Huh? There she is. She's a badass. She's schooling all these boys out here. She's in the National Guard and she's out here giving us a hand. So big shout out to that for sure. But boys, you guys ready to get after another log?
Yeah.
Yep.
And Janie?
Yes.
All right, let's get after it.
Look at them yo-yos, that's the way you do it. Play the guitar on the end